Security has always been about one thing, and it's peace of mind, but until now, security cameras have always left us with either lagging, blind spots, or even endless subscription fees. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I'm here to solve your problems with the home security cameras with the EufyCam S4 Max, a revolutionary leap forward that blends in professional grade performance and smart integration. And this isn't just another home security camera system. This is Eufy, an innovation leader when it comes to redefining what home security means. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, everything that I use so I can set it up is in here. Now, the one I'm reviewing is a solo unit, a single cam, but you can purchase the HomeBase S380 kit to unlock more of the advanced smart features. So let's go ahead and open it. Now, inside of the box, you're gonna find the camera, the solar panel, the camera wall mount, a solar panel mounting bracket, a USB cable, a solar panel extension cable, positional stickers, the screw packs, and a quick starting guide. Now, the moment that you see the hardware, you're gonna notice that this isn't just another CCTV camera. This is a revolutionary engine for your business and home protection. Now, the cameras are great and they're definitely tough. They're weatherproof, elegantly designed, but what sets them apart is the tri-camera system, and each unit combines a 4K fixed wide lens with a big picture and a PTZ lens for a zoom and tracking and intelligent AI core that ties them all together. And the results, a 360-degree full coverage without blind spots. Now, setting it up was extremely simple. Out of the box, it comes with everything you need, all the hardware and all the mounting tools, so you can get started right away. Now, the installation process was very simple, and I suggest you to get a help from a friend or a family member, so you can keep things very simple and safe, most importantly. Customize the setup with the app, set the zones, and review the smart notifications, or test the auto zoom, all track mode, which intelligently follows movement across the cameras. And even better, it's all processing locally, so that means no cloud fees, no data leaks. It's all just fast, private, and secure protection. Now let's talk more into detail when it comes to the features of the Eufy S4, because it is much more superior than your normal home security camera system. It has a 2-in-1 Bullet-PTZ triple lens system with a wide-angle 4K lens and a motorized PTZ that combines into one seamless view. No swapping cameras, no gaps, just unified intelligent vision. A full 360-degree coverage with auto zoom and all track. Zero blind spots. As someone that moves across your property, the S4 automatically pans, tilts, zooms, and follows, then hands off the tracking to the next camera, so every corner is covered without missing a moment. An AI local agent on-device recognition instantly disguises the people, vehicles, and pets, cutting down the false alerts and giving you meaningful notifications only. With the CrossCam Smart integration, each camera works as a part of an ecosystem and not as silos. Movement flows seamlessly between cameras with intelligent handoff tracking. Now, the Eufy S4 is wireless, solar powered, easier to install, and with built-in 32 gig eMMC storage and expandable via 256 GB micro SD. The AI expertly tracks intruders to defend the property and detect the threats with a smart siren and a red and blue light strobe to give you the peace of mind. And you can see the colorful nighttime details with the AI ISP processing, and you don't need a spotlight on, but you can activate it so you can see the clearer view, and you can use the HDR to prevent overexposure. Another great feature is the SolarPlus 2.0 with the 5.5 watt ultra large solar panel that needs 1 hour of direct sunlight to give you all day power. Now, you might be asking yourself, do you need one of these cameras? And I absolutely recommend you to get one of these, especially if you have a house and you have your family living with you. A one camera spots the movement in your driveway, zooms in, and hands it off seamlessly as someone approaches in your front door. The business security that protects warehouses or parking lots with fewer cameras, thanks to the 360-degree coverage and all track. The night vision confidence with the starlight color sensors that keep the footage clear and recognizable even in low light. And when it comes to privacy is first, and all data stays local, no forced cloud fees, and no monthly cost. So the Eufy S4 isn't just another step, it's a revolutionary shift in security. With its 2-in-1 Bullet-PTZ triple lens system, a 360-degree zero blind spot coverage,
and a smart AI integration, it's redefining what home security should be.
So if you're ready to experience the future of protection, it's definitely time to check out the EufyCam S4 security system, because this is where clarity meets intelligence and blind spots no longer exist.
So protect smarter, live safer with Eufy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.